how to sell handmade stamps and ink pads on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. So as you can see in here, we have a lot of products and there are a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. So for example, let's choose one of these products just to show you what you're going to learn in today's video. Let's choose this one, for example. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shop page, your own shop page, exactly like this one, how to add the pictures of your product or the video if you have one, how to add the price of the product, and how to add the description, how to select the options or how to list options, how to add the product's details, the product's long description, and the last thing is how to set the returns or the shipping and returns policies. So let's close this page and let's go back to the first one. Go to the top, click on the shop manager button in your top right. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. So here you have 6 steps to go through in order to set your Etsy shop. And the first one is the shop preferences, then comes naming your shop, then you stock your shop, then you choose how you get paid, you set up the billing or the payment processors, then you end with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. And here you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So I'm just going to change the currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is choosing a name for your shop. So for me, I'm going to choose this name and remove the spaces between words. Then I'm going to try to shorten the name to be between 4 and 20 characters. So for example, I'm going to remove and I'm going to remove handmade and leave it like that. Let's add and. So the name is good, it's available. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stocking your shop. So here you will add some photos and details about your item, fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So before proceeding to add the photos and details about your item, first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields that you need to fill in order to proceed to the next step. And the first required fields is photos. You will need to upload at least one photo. Then we have the inventory. You will need to enter a price for the product. Then comes the listing details. You will need to fill all of these read fields, answer these questions. And the same thing with the shipping as well. You will need to turn all of these red fields white by entering the right information. So let's start from the first step, which is photos. So here, add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So you start with the title. Here make sure to enter a good title for your product. Then you answer these 3 questions. Who made it? You have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from. Not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. Then we have the category. So here just enter the name of your product and you will have a lot of categories to choose from. I'm going to choose the first one. Then you have some additional details to fill, like the craft type. You can select up to 5. So for example, let's select beading, bookbinding, candle making, card making, and ceramics and poetry. And that's it. Then we have the primary color. You can choose one in here, for example, bronze. The secondary color, let's see, blue. Then we have the set, yes or no. Let's see, yes. Then we have the stamp type. You can choose one in here. Let's see, address and shipping. The occasion, you can choose one in here. And the holiday as well. Let's say Eid. And for the renewal options, you can choose the automatic, which costs 20 cents each time, or you can choose the manual, which is free. So let's go with the manual. Then we have the type, if it's a physical product or a digital product. Let's leave it at physical. Then we have the description. So guys, in order to enter a good description for the product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say. Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the pricing. So here, make sure to give your product a fair price for you and for your clients. Then we have the shipping. As I said in the beginning, make sure to turn all of these red fields white by entering the right information. So for example, for the processing time, you can choose 5 to 7 days, and that's it. Do the same with these other red fields. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.